Well, this looks like fun. I bought in the sale at Hobbycraft this Everything You Need to Get Going craft kit. So it comes with 10 cards and envelopes and all sorts of bits. So I thought I'd see what I can make as my version of a 10 cards, 1 kit production. So in the box we have indeed 10 envelopes, brown and green. These are quite nice glossy cards actually. There's 10 of them. That'll be quite nice, but I think I'll probably put some of my pattern papers on. There's 3 little ink pads, one in black, one in green. Interesting to see whether that comes out red or black. A set of flowery stamps and leaves. A whole load of gems. Lots of stickers, including some sentiments, that's quite useful. Some baker's twine. Ooh, 2 nice washi tapes. And some tags in different shades of green, pink and grey. Well, this is going to be fun. Right, put my thinking cap on, get some papers out, my glue, and then we'll get going.